And now, your Fox 24 Local Weather Authority forecast.
The sun has risen, but looks can be deceiving because it's very cold out there. This is a live look at the tall city. Some high altitude thin clouds moving up through the sky, and there's that sun shining very brightly. And because winds are very light with actually warmer air in the atmosphere, again, we do notice the glow of the sun behind me reflecting on the clouds. Rainbow-like colors, and that's actually indicating, a temperature inversion. This is what's called a sun dog, basically meaning that rainbow colors refracting from the light from the sun, indicating a little bit of a change in temperatures in the atmosphere. Warmer air aloft, colder air at the surface. Taking a look at the satellite and radar, thanks to what we have been seeing in terms of the weather. The rain and snowstorm that moved north and west of our viewing area. We're seeing northerly winds and clear skies on the back end, but now more clouds are on the increase, and that's eventually going to be spelling in another weather pattern change, and these clouds will eventually be bringing in warmer weather, stronger winds, and eventually higher rain and slightly higher snow chances. Now, we are still abnormally dry, very abnormally dry across the basin. These orange colors indicate severe drought. Red colors, extreme drought from Big Spring to Abilene, and also just north and west of Hobbs and Tatum. You guys are included. Exceptional drought. These darker reds, this is the worst form of drought in Austin. So worsening drought conditions in those areas, but improving drought conditions in the heart of the basin this morning. Again, we do notice more clouds on the increase from Van Horn, Marfa into Alpine, and a lot of those clouds nearing Midland and Odessa. That's why we're seeing a very beautiful sunrise this morning. So it's cold out there, but at least we're waking up to a very beautiful scene across the basin. Got to a low temperature of 17 in the tall city earlier this morning, 12 in Hobbs, 14 in Marfa, 15 degrees in Alpine. Make sure you guys bundle up. Temperatures very close to these low temperatures right now. And we are eventually going to be warming up, and we're going to be warming up in a big way later this morning into the afternoon. I know many of you guys are getting ready to bring those kiddos to school, teens and 20s. By the afternoon, picking them up from school, 40s and 50s, right around 48 degrees in the tall city with some clouds. Not too breezy conditions. Those winds have just begun to switch out of the south, and as they do, and as that sun continues to rise, 40s and 50s dominating the basin. Very close to the 50-degree mark today in the tall city. A little bit cooler north and west of our viewing area. Del Rio will be a bit warmer. Overnight, 30s. More clouds, stronger winds, not allowing for temperatures to drop as much. Not as cold and not as dry, but still pretty cold, pretty dry for this time of year. We got to watch out for wintry precipitation moving through late tonight, tomorrow morning in Marfa and Alpine. Rain and wet snow aloft, likely won't reach the surface tomorrow morning in the northern basin. 60 degrees tomorrow, 68 degrees on Sunday. We are going to be seeing even warmer weather by next week with higher rain chances as well.